Hello, welcome to Easy English at Home YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to use verbs that can both be dynamic and stative. Let's start today's lesson with a question. Which one is correct? Tell me. What do you think? What are you thinking? When should I say, what do you think? And when is it good to say, what are you thinking? Well, these two questions are both correct. But the verb think can be used in two different ways. It can be stative with no ing, or it could be dynamic with an ing form. In each case, the meaning changes. How does it change? Let's study that. So when I say, what do you think? I'm actually asking the person's opinion. What's your idea? What do you think? And on the other hand, when we say, what are you thinking? We are actually asking the person his or her plan. What are you planning? What are you considering? Yes? So when the verbs have a stative or dynamic form, which means they go with an ing or no ing, their meaning can change. So today we are studying other verbs that change in a similar way. The first one, see. When I say, I see what you mean, it means I understand you. I see what you mean, I understand, right? Second example, I can't see you in this photo, so where are you? That's the physical movement of our eyes, the act of seeing the person, right? I can't see you in this photo. Where are you? And if we use the verb see in the dynamic form with an ing, as in this example, I'm seeing John tonight. It means I'm meeting him, right? So the meaning here changes. It means to meet someone. I'm seeing him, right? The second one we are studying is have. So I have a car and a bike. The verb have in the stative form means to possess, right? Possess. Okay. I'm having breakfast, on the other hand, means I'm eating breakfast, right? I'm eating it. So this refers to the act of eating. I'm eating, sorry, there's a missing S here. I'm eating breakfast. I'm having breakfast, so I'm eating it. Right. Number 3, look. You look gorgeous. This means you seem, you appear beautiful. So the meaning here is either to seem or appear, as you can see. With an ing form, what are you looking at? So this is the physical movement of our eyes, right? What are you looking at? Where are you looking at? Okay, so the meaning here is referring to a physical movement. Don't forget. B is the next one. He is immature. So he always is immature. This is a permanent situation here. When you say he is being immature, this refers to a temporary event. He's not always like this, but in this specific example, he is being immature, right? So we can say here always and here temporary. The other verb we're looking at is to feel, right? I feel that I've made a mistake. So here the verb feel means I think I've made a mistake. So the meaning here is to think, right? How are you feeling today? This is referring to your physical experience. Are you feeling any better? Yes, physical experience. Taste, on the other hand. This tastes like chicken. So I'm here referring to the quality and the flavor of the food. This tastes like chicken. Well, with an ing form, I'm tasting the soup. So this means I'm trying it to see if there is enough salt, maybe, right? So I'm tasting the soup. Weigh is the last one. How much do you weigh? This is referring to the heaviness of something, right? Heaviness. How much do you weigh? 50 kgs, for example. Another one, with an ing form, the butcher is weighing the meat. So this refers to the act of measuring something, yes? So the butcher is measuring the meat, right? Weighing the meat. Are you ready to practice? Look at the pictures and complete the sentences using the prompts given. Picture 1. She's being nice because she wants to borrow his car. Picture 2. He is having a nap. Don't disturb him. Picture 3. I have a lot of work to do today. Picture 4. She was feeling tired, so she went to bed early. Picture 5. I think it needs more salt. Picture 6. It tastes absolutely delicious. Picture 7. You look very serious. What are you thinking about? Picture 8. You look great. The new haircut really suits you. Picture 9. She's looking at me because she knows the answer. Are you ready to practice further? I have come up with 6 different situations. Let's read them together and think of what you would say in each one. Number 1. You have planned to meet a friend. So you can say, I'm seeing a friend. Yes? So seeing here is the same as meeting. I'm seeing a friend tonight. Number 2. Your mother looks thoughtful, right? So you ask her, what are you thinking about? Yes. What are you thinking about, Mom? Yes? Very good. Number 3. You want to know your sister's opinion about your new shoes. So what do you say? You say, what do you think? Are they nice? What do you think? Means, what's your opinion about them, right? Number 4, you're eating dinner and you think it's great. You say, it tastes delicious. It tastes delicious. Yes, yummy. Very good. Number 5. You like your friend's hairstyle and outfit, so you tell him or her, you look great. You look great. 6. Your brother is unusually polite and nice. You want to know why. This is strange. So you say, why are you being so nice to me? What do you want, right? Why are you being so nice to me? It's not typical of him, right? It's surprising to see him like that. Good job, everybody. Let's have a look at today's keywords and phrases. We have learned that some verbs can be both stative and dynamic, but in each case, the meaning changes. Number 1, to see. I see what you mean. Here it means to understand. I'm seeing John tonight. So the verb see here means to meet someone. Number 2, have. I have a car and a house. So here the meaning is to possess. I'm having breakfast. The verb have here means to eat. Number 3, look. You look gorgeous. It means you seem or you appear gorgeous. What are you looking at? The verb look here means to turn your eyes in a particular direction, to see something. Number 4, be. He is immature. So he's always like this. He's being immature. This is a temporary action. He's normally not like this. Number 5, feel. I feel that we have made a mistake. So the verb feel means think, to think. How are you feeling today? Are you feeling any better? Here we refer to a physical experience. Number 6. This meat tastes like chicken. So here I'm referring to the quality and the flavor. I'm tasting the soup to see if it needs more salt. So here I am testing the food, checking if it's good enough. Number 7, weigh. How much do you weigh? The verb weigh here means to have a heaviness of a stated amount. The butcher is weighing the meat on the scale. So he's performing the act of weighing. He's measuring something. Thank you for watching. You can find the practice files for this lesson on the link in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!